So today I'm going to show you how to draw an anime line to two different genders, boy and girl. So for a boy, we're just going to draw line, simple enough. I'm going to carry forward that line, simple enough. And this line. So what I usually do is I have to put them closer together, or they just don't look sophisticated enough. Don't look good enough. Cool enough. Okay, if you got that shape, then you have to thicken it for the drip shadow. You know, I am an anime fan by all the anime videos on my channel. Next show I'm gonna do human eye. Something that's extremely hard for me. Okay, after you're done thickening up the lines, you may place one hexagon shaped in the middle for the iris / pupil. I don't really know. You can do in the middle of the iris however you want, but since I drew it already, I'm going to finish. See if you can recognize whose anime eye is this in the comments below. Okay. Now you see I have some pencil droppings from my sharpener. Use them no. I need the whole bag. Slightly shade the eyes with the pencil droppings. I don't need any more pencil droppings, and I don't have